So you're saying, but I still feel doubt. Doesn't that mean I'm not in the right state? And let me ask you something real simple, right? When you breathe in and then you breathe out, do you think to yourself, wait, was that a confident breath? Was that a high vibe, fulfilled, content breath? No, you don't, right? You just breathe. So let's come back to the basics. You're asking, does feeling doubt mean that I'm not in the state of the wish fulfilled? And here's the real answer. Feeling doubt doesn't mean you left the state. Reacting to doubt like it's real does. And let that land, right? Because doubt isn't the problem. You only get stuck when you identify with the doubt. So let's say you're sitting there, you feel calm, and then suddenly, like boom, out of nowhere, like a thought shows up and it says, well, what if it doesn't happen? Cool. That's a thought. You did not summon it. You did not create it. It just showed up, like a pushy neighbor walking into your house without knocking. It just showed up. But what happens next? Let's say you panic. You start trying to fix it. You think, oh no, I ruined my state. And just like that, now you're in a state of trying to fix something that was never broken. And let me give you an example. So one of my clients wanted to manifest a new home, right? That's what she wanted. She had this deep knowing that, yeah, it was done. She'll have her dream house. She was enjoying her current place, browsing Pinterest. She's enjoying decluttering, whatever felt natural to her. And then a thought popped up. Well, what if you're just kidding yourself? And old her would have spiraled, started affirming, visualizing, panicking, trying to get back into the right state. But this time she paused. She noticed the thought. She did not argue with it. She did not try to deny it. She just asked herself, well, who noticed that thought? Did I go anywhere? Or is awareness still here? And boom, she was back. Because she never left. She never left her state. And here's the trap. You think doubt is failure. You think a low moment is sabotage. You think reacting means starting over. No. Reacting to the reaction is the only thing that keeps you stuck in a loop. But the moment you pause and notice, now you're back in your power. And I know you also like metaphors. So think of the sky, right? Awareness is the sky, and you've heard it. Your thoughts, emotions, doubts, they're like clouds. Sometimes there's a sunny forecast. Sometimes a storm rolls through. But does the sky ever get wet? Nope. The sky just holds it all. And that's you. You're the sky, not the cloud called doubt. So when doubt shows up, don't pretend it's not there. Don't deny it. And don't panic like it means you're failing. Just remember, it's an arising. You're not the one doubting. You're the one noticing doubt. And that's the shift. So I want you to just close your eyes for a moment. Bring to mind the desire you're waiting for. And now ask, right? Am I aware? You might say, yeah, yes, of course. Now ask, am I the one chasing this thought? Or am I the one watching it? Just notice. If I don't touch this doubt, what remains? That is your power. Not affirming louder, not pretending you don't feel it. just noticing it without being it or without being attached to it. Even the thought that says, I'm not in the right state, is just another cloud. So don't waste your time trying to clear the sky. Just see that the sky was never, ever disturbed, like ever. Your desires, your wants, your wishes are like birds flying through the sky. They come and then they go. And they land when it's peaceful, not when you're chasing them around screaming, please land, I swear. I'm ready. I swear I believe it. I'm in the right state. Look at me. I am in the right state. I've affirmed enough. I've chosen enough. No, they respond to the stillness, to the certainty, to the not needing. And that stillness, that is who you are. And what do you do when doubt shows up? Nothing. You don't need to fix your vibration or fix your state. You don't need to get back into the right state. You just see through the illusion that says you left it. See through that illusion using any of the guided pauses. Because if you are the sky, you never moved. The weather did. Okay? So you're not manifesting by being perfect. You're manifesting by being present. It's what naturally happens. So let the thoughts come. Let the doubts arise. Let's just not chase them. Let's not believe them. Don't become them. Pause. Notice. Return. You're still the sky. You're still the I am. And nothing can take that from you. And if you want to explore this more at a visceral level, check out my one-on-one coaching. I have both audio and video coaching. They're different. They're in the links below. And if you want to see that you're not separate from money specifically, I have my More Than Enough course. If you want to see that you're not separate from your desires in general, then there's Weightless. And there's other tiny mini courses. So I will see you in the comments. I would love to hear your insights and read them.